How you can create images directly in ChatGPT. I will walk you through exact steps how to navigate in ChatGPT, structure your prompts, and get the best images possible. And we will also check a few other AI tools that are amazing for generating images. Let's get started. If you are new here, my name is Lilia and I cover everything you need to know about business process automation, technology, and AI. All right, let's start with ChatGPT. As of now, ChatGPT offers an image generation tool called DALL-E, and you can generate images directly from ChatGPT chat itself. So yes, you can create images directly in ChatGPT using a custom setup with DALL-E capabilities. And the third option is Custom GPTs, but we will talk about it a little bit later. To make an image in ChatGPT, here's what you need to do. Start by crafting a descriptive prompt. A good prompt is detailed and specific. Think about the subject, colors, background, mood, style, and elements you would like to see in your image. Add specifics about the subjects. For example, if you want a cityscape, mention the time of the day, season, and any unique details like busy streets, neon lights, or vintage cars. Use emotional or stylistic descriptors, words like vibrant, moody, futuristic. It can help set up the mood and style for the image. For example, if I wanted an image of futuristic city, I might write a prompt like, create an image of a neon-lit cityscape at night with futuristic skyscrapers and flying cars inspired by cyberpunk aesthetics. The more detailed your prompt, the better the result. If you want to take a step further, create something even more sophisticated. Creating complex, multi-level prompts is all about layering details to guide an AI to produce nuanced and sophisticated outputs. Here is a step-by-step guide to building multi-level prompts that will get you the results you're after. Number 1. Define the core objective. Start with the primary idea or goal of the prompt. For instance, if you want an image of a futuristic cityscape, that's your core objective. Write it out clearly and concisely to set the direction for the rest of the prompt. Example core objective. Create a futuristic cityscape. Second, add levels of context. Next, provide context that will help shape the output. This can include the setting, times of the day, weather, atmosphere, or anything else. Adding context helps AI to understand where and how the scene is happening. Example context. The city is set at dusk, with skyscrapers glowing against a vibrant sunset sky. Third, incorporate descriptive details for key elements. Think about the primary elements within your scene and describe them in greater detail. Each key element should have at least one descriptive sentence that guides its appearance or interaction with the scene. Example key elements. Skyscrapers. The skyscrapers have a sleek, reflective design with neon blue and pink lights outlining their edges. Transportation. Flying cars zip through the air, casting shadows on the streets below. Number 4. Introduce emotions, style, or atmosphere. To add depth, specify the mood or emotional tone you want the scene to evoke. This could include the overall color scheme, lighting, and atmosphere. Emotional descriptors help AI capture the feeling of the scene. Atmosphere. The scene feels lively and energetic with warm, glowing colors contrasting against the deep shadows. Number 5. Specify artistic style or inspiration. If there is a specific artistic style or era you're inspired by, mention it. This helps AI align the image with the existing aesthetics. You can also reference movements or styles like cyberpunk, art deco, or surrealism. Example artistic style, inspired by cyberpunk and neo-noir with high contrast between light and dark. 6. Use nested structure for complex relationships for scenes, with complex interactions or relationships. Break down each component into mini prompts, creating layers within layers. For example, if you have characters or multiple focal points, describe them individually and specify how they interact. Example with nested structures. Character A robot standing near a food stall has a chrome body with glowing eyes. It is inspecting a holographic menu. Character B, a human wearing a trench coat, leans against the wall nearby, observing the robot with curiosity. 7. Incorporate actions or dynamic elements to add life. Specify the actions or movements in the scene, such as a light breeze moving the leaves or bustling crowds. Dynamic elements make the scene more vivid. Example action. Crowds walk along the busy streets while a large hologram billboard displays an animated ad above them. Number 8. Combine it all together. Put all elements together in a single prompt. Aim to be detailed but concise, using commas or short phrases to connect ideas and keep the prompt structured. Additional tips. First, use bullet points. When first drafting, write each detail as bullet point to help organize your thoughts before combining. Second, iterate and refine. Don't be afraid to experiment, adjust details and add or remove elements based on the output. It's never the best picture from the first try. Number 3, avoid overloading. Too many details can overwhelm the model. Balance specificity with simplicity for the best results. ChatGPT is a solid option for image generation, but there are also some fantastic dedicated image generation tools that you might want to try for different needs. And before we continue, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Here are the few of my favorites. Midjourney. This one is amazing for highly detailed, stylistic images and is popular with artists and designers. Stable Diffusion, an open source tool that lets you experiment and fine-tune images with a lot of flexibility. It's great for people who want more control over their output. Canva's AI image generator. If you are looking for quick and simple design options, Canva has a built-in image generator that's perfect for creating social media posts and contents and ads. Coruscant.io Image Studio, free image generation tool where you can generate not only images but also set up the parameters for the generation like guidance, scale, and number of steps. These tools offer a range of options for styles, resolutions, and features, so if you're looking for something specific, there's probably an AI tool for that. Using Custom GPTs for image generation. Now there's also an option to create images using Custom GPTs that have advanced image generation skills. Some Custom GPTs are tailored for specific styles or unique effects, so if you're looking something like watercolor effects or abstract art, you can try finding or even creating a custom GPT trained on those styles. These custom GPTs are different models and techniques, so if you want something specific like illustration for kids, books, logo designs, or even realistic art portraits, custom GPTs can often be the great choice. Alright, that's it for today. Now you know how to create an image with ChatGPT, how to get the most out of the custom GPTs, and some other top tools for AI image generation. Whether you are creating for fun or building something for your business, there is a lot you can do with AI image tools. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on AI and business process automation. And let me know in the comments, have you tried any of these tools? I would love to hear what's your favorite AI tool for image generation. See you in the next video.